All right. Hello, viewers. I'm always here to help out. Okay. And if you have not, joined my page, try and do so. If you are watching me from YouTube, you subscribe. If it is from Facebook or TikTok, you follow so that when I upload new video, you get notification. So in today's tutorial, what we have here is multiplication of what? Matrices. So when you look at the first metric that we have here, which is metric E, you will observe that we have 2 by 3. Metric B, we have 3 by what? By 2. And in the first question, we are asked to multiply EB. Now, for us to carry out multiplication of what? Metric E and B. Now, what we need to check is this. This is the first factor. As it stands now, this is the first factor. So let's check the number of columns that we have in first factor, which is what? 1, 2, 3. What of the number of rows that we have in what? In the second factor? 1, 2, 3. So they are what? Equal. Meaning that this multiplication, multiplication now is defined. We can carry out multiplication of what? Of matrix in this very stuff. So for us to do that, what I will do now is this. I will list out what the element that we have in metric E and the B, which is 1 minus 2, 1, 2, 1, 3. This is the elements in what? In metric what? E. That of metric B, we have 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 1. Okay. Let us now carry out the multiplication, which is 1 times 2 will give us what? 2 plus minus 2 times 3 will give us what? Minus 6 plus 1 times 1 will give us what? 1. So this is what? The first element. Let's move to second element, which is 1 times 1 will give us 1 plus minus 2 times 2 will give us what? Minus 4. 1 times 1 will give us what? 1. This is the second element. For this one, we have 2 times 2 is what? 4 plus 1 times 3 is 3 plus 3 times 1 is 3 as well. This is what? The third element. Let's move to the last element, which is 2 times 1 is what? Is 2 plus 1 times 2 is what? 2 plus 3 times 1 is what? 3. This is the last element. So the next thing that I will do now is I will bring all of them together. So in the first one, what we have is EB, and our EB will become, when I simplify this will give us minus 6. Minus 6 plus 1 will give us minus 5. Minus 5 plus 2 will give us what? Minus 3. So what we have here is minus 3. If I simplify this, it will give us minus 2. If I simplify this, it will give us 10. If I simplify this, it will give us what? 7. So this is the what? The answer to the first question. For the second question, we have B. Look at it. The elements that we have in B. E. Look at it. This is the element that we have in what? In E. So we are asked to find this. First of all, meaning that what this means now is that B is the first factor. When you look at the number of columns in the first factor, you observe that we have 2. Number of row in the second factor, you observe that we have 2, meaning that it is defined. That is, we can apply multiplication of matrix here. So to do that, what we do now is what? 2 times 1 will give us what? 2 plus 1 times 2 will give us what? 2. So this is the first element. For the second element, we will do 2 times minus 2 is what? Minus 4. Okay. Plus 1 times 1 will give us 1. Second element. We proceed to next one. 2 times 1 is what? 2. Plus 1 times 3 is what? 3. This is the third element. We move to the fourth element, which is 3 times 1 will give us what? 3. Plus 2 times 2 will give us what? 4. This is the fourth element. We move to the fifth element, which is 3 times minus 2 will give us what? Minus 6. Plus 2 times 1 will give us what? 2. This is what? The fifth element. We move to sixth element. The sixth element, we have 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 times 3 is what? 6. So this is the sixth element. We move to seventh element, which is 1 times 1 is 1, plus 1 times 2 is what? Is 2. This is the seventh element. We move to eighth element. 1 times minus 2 is minus 2, plus 1 times 1 is 1. This is the eighth element. We move to the last element, which is 1 times 1 will give us 1, plus 1 times 3 will give us what? 3. So let me now simplify all of them. Now, the BE is equal to, when you simplify this, we will have 4. This is minus 3. This is 5. This is 7. This is minus 4. This is 9. This is 3. This is minus 1. And this is 4. And that is the answer. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.